Hello guys, welcome ulit sa Tower PH TV. So this will be our first time to unwrap this NBA Ballers. Medyo ano siya, type of collection na figure, and I think you have seen a lot of this na online, but me personally, this is the first time that I'll be opening this up, and ang story nito is I was able to get it sa Toy Kingdom, and yung price niya $699. And exclusively distributed by Ramps Corp. Marami rin ako nakitang ganito sa Shopee or sa Lazada, but yun nga, as I was checking out kasi sa SM, sa Toy Kingdom, meron siya malapit sa counter, so I got one, and yan, sabay-sabay nating buksan para malaman natin kung anong laman ito. So yun guys, based sa mga nakita natin, there are rare figures na kasama nito, and the way to open it is we'll just have to pull this one. This is an NBA product, so yan, medyo may tatanggalin. I'm not sure why yung others are simply just pulling the tab out and but medyo natin. So it's like a Pokemon ball, and yun lang yung there's another ano pala, plastic, so we have to unwrap this pa. Ayun. And we are hoping na makakuha tayo ng rare figure or kahit ano, si Luka Doncic or si Jason Tatum. So the way to open it is this one, and from the ball you got, oh, this is a good thing because when you get 3 packs, there's a big chance that you got a rare figure. But let's see muna, you have this manual, it's from Suru, and yun, nandun lahat ng mga details, and what we are rooting for is yan yung LeBron James na rare. And yun pa, yung semi-rare, yung merong court, we got Jason Tatum and Kevin Durant. And sa likod niya yung mga basic figures. So medyo marami siya, no? But yun, huwag nating patagalin. Hopefully makakuha tayo ng rare. But with these 3 packs, either yung rare or yung may kasamang hoops. So let's check muna this pack. So I think it's the basic, and we have yun, we got the hoop. Hindi siya yung super rare na may award, but we got a hoop for our first try. It's from Phoenix Suns, and we got this. Yung poster niya sinasabi is like a small trading card, but let's check out kung sino yung player. The second pack is the hoop, and comes with the hoop, and so yung Wilson ball and yung setup ng pinaka hoop, and yung parang shooter. So yeah, it's quite exciting, no guys, kasi medyo for our first try we're able to get this one, but kaya natin siya buksan. And since this is Phoenix Suns, I think we only have Kevin Durant. I'm not sure kung merong Devin Booker, but most likely this will be Kevin Durant as expected. So we got a Kevin Durant with this pink shoe, and yeah, so yun yung 3 packs. The common ones, they only have 2 packs, and may kasamang floor ng court. So this will not be the last, and of course we will be trying to get more of this. Yun lang, ang articulation niya medyo matigas, but Not so much articulation with this one. Even yung kanyang, I'm not sure kung medyo matigas lang to, but it's really difficult or hard to move. So baka yung special ano is really not moving, but will it stand? I don't think so. So meron naman siyang ano on the foot, so we'll just put the player there. Sundan nyo lang yung ano, ayan, kung saan yung hole. So one thing I noticed nga guys, yung mga may hoops na packs doesn't hindi na articulate yung ano niya, yung character na makukuha mo. And as for the hoop, simply just put it as that. And ito cardboard lang siya, so just insert it here. And we got one piece na, so number 7 we got this. Ayan yung kanyang parang posters na sabi, but a small card, and yung launcher, and of course yung ating Wilson ball. So that's it for this video guys. Hopefully this is not the last. We're going to get some more of this NBA ballers, and hopefully makakuha tayo ng mga rare figures ni Steph Curry, LeBron James, of course Jason Tatum, and the other ano, yung mga super rare na figures. Sana makakuha tayo. And with that, I would like to give a big shout out sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Yampas Lupang Burgis, Tyson si Baitesha, si John RT Vlog, yung kanyang Mimi and Yuki na channel, and yung bago niyang channel na Jung Collab, more on sa mga aesthetics and musical ano niya, streams yun, so mga live streams yun ng music. So yun guys, maraming salamat sa pag-join dito sa ating video, and big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, ASMR artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. And big shoutout kay Mami Madselen and kay Mami Bel Sato, and of course kay Daddy O HLJ Deep Hybrid, and sa ating mga kasama dyan sa ano, Sato family, and sa team support, and dyan sa ano, HLJ and Mami GC group chat. So maraming salamat guys, and kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating pa mga susunod na mga videos. I hope na gustuhan nyo to, and yun, share your thoughts about this NBA ballers. Okay ba siyang i-collect, and maganda ba siyang idagdag sa ating collections? So yun nga lang, medyo wala siyang Kobe Bryant no? So yun lang, still I think it's a good addition to our collections, and hopefully we'll be able to complete the set. Yan guys, maraming salamat guys, and kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating mga susunod na video. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV. Ayan, until next time.